Alright, good morning guys. Day one, digging in Virginia. Starting off with a bang. As you see, no one is in my car because I left my parking pass at the house. So I had to run back to the hotel, grab the parking pass, and drop the guys off at the hunt site there at the meeting. But heading out there now. Hopefully it's a good day out. A little on the chilly side. It's about 20 degrees outside right now, so nothing beats a 20-degree dig in the spring. But looking forward to it. Awesome guys out here so far that I've met. Everybody's been super friendly. Met a lot of new people that I've seen on some of the relic forums before, so should be a good dig. Hope to dig up some good stuff. I probably won't do a whole lot of live digs just because I'll be digging with the Infinium today, the pulse unit. When I've turned up my very first dig, I'll pull that one out of the ground, and then everything else I'll just show you guys shots and film once I've pulled it out of the hole. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get some good stuff for you. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, just got out in the field. Been out here for about a minute. First good signal. Pistol bullet. Not deep at all, but man, they weren't lying when they were talking about some nasty soil up here. Alright, we'll get back to you. Alright guys, I've been at it for a while now. I don't know what's going on with my detector, but I'm not getting very much depth out of it at all. But I did just get another little good signal here. Looks like we got an Indian head. See if I can get a date off of it. It's like 1860. It's like 1862. Should clean up pretty good. Alright, anything else, we'll let you see it. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, we're starting day 2 at digging in Virginia. As you can see, got a little bit of snow today. And Clinton's over here with us. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, check it out. So give him a subscribe. He's up from Massachusetts. I guess he'd be down from Massachusetts this time. But hopefully, we're supposed to get about 2 to 4 inches of snow, so hopefully it won't be too bad. But we'll get out there, we'll try to dig some stuff, and hopefully we'll have a better day than yesterday. It was awful slow yesterday. Alright, well, see you guys at the first find. Alright guys, day 2. Just popped the plug here, had a good signal, wasn't very deep, about 2 inches. We can see something green right here. So, let's see what we got. Looks like we're gonna have a button. At least I hope we do anyway. Gotta be careful, the soil is awful bad on buttons. Oh yeah, shrinking everything on the back. I don't want to mess with it too much, it might fall apart. But awesome way to start things off. Pushed in, but it's alright. So digging in the snow, digging in Virginia, digging buttons. Alright, we'll get back to you. Alright guys, I'm going to try to talk a little bit louder. You may not be able to hear me, the wind's blowing pretty bad. It's day 3 here, DIV. It's cold and snowy, but we're trying to get some stuff in. Just got my first find. Looks like it's going to be a crushed up eagle cuff button. Hopefully I can clean it up and get enough off of it once I get home. I'm not going to mess with it now, but I'm not too hopeful out of this one. I can see the wing, so I know it's at least an eagle button, but we'll keep digging, see if we can't get some good stuff. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys are warmer than I am. It's about 20 degrees. Alright guys, I got something else in the hole here. Probably, since I'm going to try to film it, it'll probably be a nail. But Alright. Out of the hole. Alright. Looks like we got another button. Looks like it's going to be an eagle coat. Awesome find. 2 buttons in about 2 minutes. Fantastic. Alright, we'll get back to you the next find. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, still out here digging in the snow. Just got another good find. Looks like we're going to have a button. Don't know if there's going to be anything on it. It's probably just going to be a flat button. Let's see together. Yeah, it looks like it's just a flat button. But that's one more we can add to the collection. So one of the guys I was with just dug a Connecticut state seal, so, or a Connecticut button, so that was pretty nice. So, alright. Nice flat button for the pouch. We'll get back to you. Alright guys, we're at day 6, second DIV. I am wore out. Switched to my Safari and decided to come in the woods here. Just trying to get out of the field with all the nails. Plus, I wasn't doing too much with the pulse anyway. I got one good copper I'll show you in the wrap up. Just dug a fired 3-ringer here. Not too far underneath the root here. I'd say 4 or 5 inches down, so not bad. But supposedly an old firing hill over here, so hopefully we can come up with some bullets and maybe score some brass. But if not, it's just in the woods, walking around, enjoying the scenery. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright guys, we just got finished hunting the woods over here. It's raining. We're miserable. I think we're going to call it a day. We just cut our way through all these briars, crawled under the fence. Had we went 20 more yards up there, there's the gate. Things you do for a relic. Alright, thanks for watching guys.